Hi everyone! Overtime here. We have a brand new Toyota GRS Hilux. The client wants the best of the best for his outing, camping needs. On this unit, we are using the Oldman Emo MT64 suspension with parabolic lip spring. This is the MT64 shocks with Ome coil spring. Okay. With their new product, the ARB parabolic. From your stock, very thick lip spring to two-piece lip spring. Advantage, more smoother ride. Lightweight, and this can load 0 to 300 kg. And also we installed ARB airbag kit. This is where it's come. If you want to additional load, this can reach total of 600 kilo. There's a internal bump stop built in on this airbag. If you're going to inflate and deflate the airbag, this client chooses it manually. So this is where you put your air in and out, like your typical car wheel valve stem. This is the left side and the right side. If you got heavy load, if your back of your vehicle is down and you want the pickup will stay the same, so you put air. Maximum of 45 psi. What other things? Also, we installed the ProLift tailgate assist. Shocks. And also we upgrade to high power reverse LED. And also the client, we ordered the Alucab Contour canopy. The Contour canopy is around 62 kilo. Then you can put more loads. That's why we're doing preparation. If the client want to put extra tent, awning tent, spare tire, kitchenware, with heavy load but with comfort ride. Both, best of both worlds. Best of both worlds. For the rims and tires on this unit, we're using the 18-inch Race TE37. This is the PM2 in gloss black. Black chrome center cap and wrap in BF Goodrich KO2 tires. And we also added extra protection on the belly. We installed the ARB UBP under vehicle protection. For the fog lamp, we upgraded to yellow 400 brighter than stock. And we also installed 2 sets PIAA horn. Parabolic lip spring also available for LC71, LC76, 79, and many more. If you're interested with our build here, feel free to message me. And by the way, beware of many fake VOC racing wheels in the market selling. Get your authentic wheels here. And please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Stock is boring. Bye.